This is a precision bit aluminum screwdriver. No one else is making metal screwdrivers with ball bearing swelling on top. So you don't have to switch them on regular screwdrivers all the time. All you have to do is switch them on bits. And I recommend that you get these 4 bits. You get a pin and load bit, tri-point Y1000 bit, tri-point Y100 bit, and the Phillips bit. This is a suction handle. It's very useful to pull the top of the screen while disconnecting the cables. This right here is a pick. I like to call it a guitar pick. This right here is a plastic spudger. Angled precision tweezers. Opening tool. And that's it for today. Those are basically the essentials that you need to get started on repairing the phone. If you don't have anything else, these are the essential things that you would probably need to buy instead of the screen replacement or anything else for the phone for that matter. These are the essentials tools that you need to get started. Thank you for watching. Subscribe below. Peace out.